What is going on? What's up, Paul? What's up, Sean? We live. We are breaking. Got a new light here. It's crap. I know it's crap. Just let me know if you can't see the cards. I will make sure that you can. Welcome to Wawa. Let me know what teams you got. What teams? Ripping illusions. Some fun stuff in store today, tonight, wherever you are tonight, pretty much. This is an eBay break. Ah, Paul, okay. Cardinals, not bad. Rondell Moore, I like him as a rookie, but I'm sure you like some other Cardinals too. John, what's going on? Welcome to Wawa. See, you got a handful of teams there, John. Trying to tag some people I know are in this break. Welcome. Welcome, Dustin. That is a nice haul you have there. We need to get you some Hollow Heroes. Love to see a 101 of this product. I haven't seen that yet. Illusions is fun. Illusions is a good time. Yeah. I love these cards too. Let's see. I might have some here that I pulled. Let's see. I'm an Eagles fan. I joined an eBay break. Got a Devonta Smith out of 20. That's a pretty sick card. I love that card. A lot of cool cards. This is a cool Trey Lance. This is what you're hunting. This is what you're hunting. Numbered. Yeah, 12 boxes. Wow. So is that a case or is it case 16? I think case was 16. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think we opened some and then we've been breaking a bunch. I think this might be our last one though. We didn't get a full case. All right. We got a bunch of people on here. Oh, okay. I got you, John. Okay. All right. Let's get started. How's that sound? Illusions, football, 3 autos, 2 mems per box. Case hit is the Hollow Heroes. You got a ton of rookie autos here. I've seen a lot of Mac Jones in this product. Whoever is your top player, just comment us. Oh, a 1 of 7 Herbert auto. That's insane. That's insane. Nice. I'm going to do my best to get everything sleeved. I'm doing solo dolo tonight. Sleeved and top loaded for you as we go. So if I move too slow, just let me know. But let's get ripping, huh? Illusions football. Big football's coming around the corner. We do have a Mosaic Basketball Blaster box break. We're doing a couple of those. 10 tonight, 20 tomorrow. Maybe some more on our Facebook page later next week. But we are going to do Mosaic first off the line hobby box. We were able to get a bunch of those. So we'll be posting those soon. And we'll get those lots listed if you're interested. And we'll tag you too if we can. Empty box. All right. And here we go. Illusions Football. Pack 1. Pack 1. Off the bat, Devonta Williams rookie. Nice. Dak Prescott base. For the Vikings, Kellen Mond base. We got a hit here. Glad I caught that in time. That is a thick boy. I've yet to see this one. King of Cards, Russ Wilson. That's going out to Seattle. There you go. King of Cards. Let me get some of these other rookies sleeved up. All right. Let's check out this hit. Put Kellen on here real quick. All right. What do we got here? First box. We got an auto. We got a first impressions. We got a Patriot. We got a Ramondre Stevenson. Number 1 out of 50. Look at that. 4-color patch. That is sick. That is a thick sleeve. A thick pack as well. There you go. Off the bat. Nice hit for the Patriots. Ramondre Stevenson. Sick running back. 1 out of 50. That is filthy. Wrong Patriot, but he's still really good as well. Nice hit for the Pats. Next pack here. That is a beautiful card. All right. Zeke. Gibson. DK. We got another hit here. Backwards. Illusionist. This isn't the hit. Kyle Pitts. Going out to the Falcons. Pretty looking card. Illusionist cards are nice. There you go. Kyle Pitts is on the board as well. Let's check out what our hit is. It's backward, but I feel like it's probably shouldn't be backward. Yeah. Okay, we got a Jet here. We got a 91 out of 399 Elijah Moore. Nice. Nice numbered hit there. Pink variation. I think it was backward. This box might have one of those goofy Panini's just put everything backwards to mess with us kind of pack. But hey, there you go. 91, 399. Put that up there for now. Next pack. All right. For the Eagles, Miles Sanders. Matthew Stafford. There's a base. Ramondre. Backwards card. Hey, there you go. Who wanted the Cardinals? King of Cards, Kyler Murray. If this is out of 149, that's a red color match. It's out of 399. I think that's a not technically red. I'm not sure what they call this one, but hey, that still looks nice. Nice hit there for the Cardinals. King of Cards, Kyler Murray. Nice hit. See what his backwards one is. Like I said, they could be messing with us. Yep. For the Panthers, Terrace Marshall Jr. bronze out of 499. Going out to the Panthers. There you go, Paul. You wanted the Cardinals, right? That's a good hit. And Terrace Marshall. All right, next pack. All right. We got a T-Law. Base. Trevor Lawrence. It's on the board. Very nice. Get him up there. Nice. We got Kyler Murray. There you go. Myles Gaskins. Backwards card. This one might actually be numbered. Or auto, I'm sorry. What do we got? For the Saints, we got Ian Book. Oh, Saints rookie tools. Not numbered, I believe. Not numbered. It is not from any game or event, but the Drew Brees is. Ian Book's not from any game or event, but Drew Brees is. Let me get one of these sleeves ready for you. Well, there you go, Saints. Nice hit there. I'll be careful with this. Nice. I do have some thicker top loaders around here somewhere. I will get them in there. And the last card in that pack, Justin Herbert, clear shots. Going out to Francisco Choi. Nice hit, Fran. Clear shots, not numbered. But still, Herbert is a good hit anytime. Oh, there they are. Burrow, Joey B, Mahomes. I'm liking the feel of this pack. Liking the way they're going with it. Hey, I knew I liked something there. There's a hit behind this. Putting it down. I'll sleeve that up in a second. Look at that. You know, you just know. When you know, you know. Mac Jones, illusionist. You can just tell by the way the pack was going off. They give you a Joe Burrow. They give you a Patty Mahomes. Jamar Chase. Now, what's the hit? Right? What's the hit? You know, Mac Jones. What's the hit? There's got to be something. Got to be something else, right? Let's see. Let's take a look. We got a Jaguar. Oof, wide receiver. All the hype there, huh? 236 out of 499. Going out to the Jaguars, DJ Chark. Not what we were hoping for. All the other cards were money. But then they hit us with this one. And then they hit us with this one. Let's get Jamar Chase for the Bengals. Let's get that card. And a nice protector. There's that Jamar Chase. All right, next pack. All right, John, you want the Dolphins? I feel you. We'll figure that one out for you here. Travis Etienne. We got a Carson Wentz. Hey, going on to the Eagles, we got a Devonta Smith with a hit behind it. And going out to the Packers, clear shots. Brett Favre. Not numbered. Let's check out what this hit is. Oh. We got a Charger here. We got Larry Roundtree III. Rookie signs. That is 3 out of 10. Rookie signs green. 3 out of 10. Going out to the Chargers. Nice low number hit. Low number auto rookie. There you go. We go Francisco. Franny. 3 out of 10. Can you see that? Yeah, 3 out of 10. I'm not blind. All right, cool. Nice hit. Nice hit. All right, we got 4 packs to go. 4 packs to go. Nick Chubb. Tutu Atwell. Got Dalvin Cook with a hit behind it. Mr. Trey Lance Mystique. Trey Lance Mystique, not numbered, but still. San Fran's on the board. Nice. Nice hit. All right, let's check out this card. Miami Dolphins. Jalen Waddle and Jarvis Landry. Rookie Idols. Patch card. There you go. John, you were just asking for the Dolphins and you got it. Nice hit. Not numbered. Still nice. Getting the sleeve ready for you. Let me recut some of these. There you go. And I got the top loaders over here. Nice. Jalen Waddle. All right, next pack. 3 to go. We got Big Ben. Played his last home game, probably. Tony, rookie for the Giants. Hopkins for the Cardinals. Backwards card. And Dalvin Cook going out to the Vikings. Shining Stars, not numbered. And the backwards card is a Jaguar. Trevor Lawrence, 2 out of 25. Get the F out. There you go, Jags. 2 out of 25. Believe that is the gold variation. Not exactly sure what the 25 is out of because I have not seen this one yet. But boom. T-Law. 2 out of 25. Big hit. Big hit. Very nice. Very nice. All right. Josh Allen. Tylen Wallace. We got a Claypool. Card behind it. We got a blue Falcons Shining Stars. Blue is out of 299. 131 out of 299. There you go, Falcons. Nice numbered acetate card for Kyle Pitts. Nice. And then our other card in that pack that was backwards, we got a Buccaneer. We got Tom Brady, yellow diamond out of 249. Tom Brady out of 249. Going out to the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. And my man who asked for them earlier. Tom Brady out of 249. Nice. Nice hit. All right, last pack. Should have one more auto here. Let's go. Good luck, everybody. Derrick Henry. Rashad Bateman for the Ravens. We got Jalen Darden and our hit behind it. Najee Harris, Mystique. Going out to the Steelers. Nice. Najee Harris card. There you go. And last but not least, let's check this bad boy out. Illusions. Green Bay, Aaron Jones, 70 out of 199. Ooh, boy. Green Bay Packers. Nice looking card. Limitless Signatures. Illusions. Nice. Very cool. Such a fun product. We got a bunch of hits. Let's why don't we go through them real quick? What do we think about that? All right. Just to recap here. Najee Harris, Mystique. T-Law base. Kyle Pitts, Shining Stars out of 299. Mystique, Trey Lance, base. Clear Shots, Herbert, base. Base, Jamar Chase. Number to 499, bronze, DJ Chark. We got number to 399, pink, Elijah Moore going out to the Jets. We got Kyle Pitts, Illusionist. We got Rookie Idols, Drew Brees and Ian Book. We got Terrace Marshall Jr. out of 499 bras. How about a Kyler Murray out of 399? How about Jarvis Landry, Rookie Idols, and Jalen Waddle? Mac Jones, Illusionist. Aaron Jones, auto out of 199. Tom Brady, Yellow Diamond out of 249. T-Law out of 25. Gold. First Impressions, Ramondre Stevenson patch out of 50. I'll get that top loaded. And Rookie Signs out of 10. Larry Roundtree, the third green rookie signs. That is all, everybody. I'll upload the video here to the post. But appreciate everybody. More coming, more mosaic. Have a good one. Wawa out.